Good. Should we go and get an ice cream? It's a nice day. We'll go and have an adventure. All right, I'm definitely going to get
What?
cheesecake flavour.
Okay. There's something wrong.
Is there a noise?
Yeah.
It feels bumpy. Uh-oh. Yep, flat tyre, look. Don't worry, Raffy. We have a repair kit here, so let's have a look. Uh-oh. Raffy, I definitely don't know how to do this. So,
Oh, the bike people.
that's a good idea. Yep, I've got a puncture and I need some help.
Absolutely, that's what Bike Assist is there for. And whereabouts are you located?
Yeah, I'm on the Point Ormond bike path.
Okay, no problems. I've just entered the job, so a patrol should be there shortly.